Politics ye memo has say akoye in Simbia akoye seke mam keb enuti ana democracy ewo ho de de nyame asese Ghana my enye autocratic country fi say ye be autocratic party ene ne beba ne de be sene heaven ene form ne na understand ene opposition party ye anase yan kan say franka ye say wotu as presidential seater owa Ghana memo has say ya o mon candidate ene the president another don Kufuor na be de twe ene his excellency Mahamudu Bawumia na wo chirema tres kamya kwese wo opposition party ye new NDC no kamya kwese wo de won parking kan na chire se MPP no de nsemi beto abonten de na de chire se NDC fo ko ho won kan yu won sa so kran enko ye research ene wo sole ye ne de align na chire se de align no anaso wo bowa ana akoye kasa ye se NDC fo kan yenko tie Bawumia embra.
When we first mooted the idea of the Sino-Hydro Roads project after my visit to China in 2018. Many of our political opponents said that what we were proposing to do under the Sino-Hydro Roads project was not possible. Unfortunately, for some of our opponents, when we say something and they don't understand, instead of asking for an explanation and also reading about it, they don't like to read, they don't want to ask for explanation, they just say, you are lying. But today, as we commissioned the Omwaye, they are silent.
Your former President John Dramani Mahama Bema oba agromu anawase no Bema obedi Ghana man so a ose Ghana man kura Bema obeji Ghana man so oba bedi so a within 1 year na wadwan eden ne sika manu sika sem akoma broni se broni na nche no de onye Bema sabi obedi Ghana man so a ye little ajuma binu e wo Ghana otumi tena ho mani nyina gu ye Bema obedi Ghana man so a garam se timi je Ghana man mu nyina faae Bema obedi man so na sabi o Ghana sikasem aye basa bangi kura sika eni hono Bema obedi Ghana man so sabi otumi man Ghana kwa huhiam to the level say ewo wiase amansan dwa die kura mpono oye Ghana ni ana oye Ghana businessman no ko say o kwa kope business kura ya we don't give you chance sa Bema wenra ebo modern say oba be kasa ama Ghana fo atie afa Ghana sikasem ho na sabio na yeme ya esan yeme awreho sena dan na otimo na okasa no na nipa doma sabio Ghana maya je omo atum so omo ya titirefo na omo te hobi na ya nkasa ye former president his excellency etumi tena se ekeka nsem bi no ma sabio misremeka abrofo aban ahodo okura mpo no ntimi ngina baabi nkasa asem no ento Ghana man so etumi ka say Ghana man is gradually getting the grade say Italy for beka say degradation ti say Ghana man no gradually no etete pansam say eye basa na sabi otitrefo we nyina ate ho na obia ntumi anka hwe ankyere Mahama na yetumi jama Mahama twa antro we egu Ghana man so na etimi tra ho ma Johan Mahama etimi bu na nigu so e kan nsema eni soro eni fom edeto Ghana man so esan digu ya anka se ma mpanyini ene ne be na badi akire eso edidi omo atem e wo kwam bi so ebo ni trimu kan nsem bi no ma eni soro eni fom wow. I'm very sorry. Say, a man like Mahama, Anka, he was supposed to be an example for all Ghanaians. A man like John Mahama should be someone. He was supposed to be someone that all Ghanaians would have to look at him, trying to get or trying to proceed on the process of more sebio otumi de beye Ghana mampanyini ewo Ghana manmu. But unfortunately, because of desperation of power, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has started committing himself to a level where he was not supposed to stand. Mamisi should be Yewura John Mahama wadi Ghana man so pay. And was saying ka ontimi maintain a position bi anka obeye nipa bi anka Ghana man ma ebehwe no na nka omode abo omobra. So to me, I get it to the level that he has got to. But when to me and take that position no, gradually no, he is reducing his position in the society. Why and sama Mahama be jina bonten kaye. Maybe some more. Did Mahama say something which can contribute to the development of this country? Mahama can sembia. Eya sema betimi aboama Ghana nhyehyeye anase Ghana yo yie no akoso ana. Did he say anything like that? Media man hunisa. I did not see it like that. So you say asemi what the Mahama kan ye. Would you say edin koso ni nkan nie ebaba Ghana maimu a mesra twe na wase ha. Maybe I could make a mistake. That I did not understand his words. But if what I heard by myself is actually what he wanted to say there, then please, let this message go to John Dramani Mahama that he has completely lost his credibility in the eyes of the wise men and the intellectuals in the country. Let me repeat it again. Say, dear Mahama Kayana, dear Memeti Asieno, if that is what actually he meant to say there, then I can stay here on authority by myself to say that he has completely lost his credibility to the wise men of the country. I'm going to take his things that he said one by one, and I will try to let you understand. Moi, ma basse wa pacho ye kenyan sasem kire mo amode ma ya madwene se nsem amfaso ni so onka no se wo asem bi ka ye different from what I'm saying now. Write it down there so that you can prove me wrong on this platform. Se woni asem titro bi ka, it is better say obepe babi atena na obejama makasa. Ewo me yankasa me platform so na wo be call another platform wo be bio platform there na wakoka wunyansa asem a oji say yenyansa asem no akire